Hello, everybody. As she already said, my name is Sandra Leonie Ritter. I'm CEO at Leondrino Exchange. We are a fintech startup that provides services around the issuance and the ongoing supply of private currencies for enterprises and for startups who have already a strong brand or who want to build a global brand. It means instead of starting with a hedge fund that invests in blockchain tokens, as Polychain Capital does, for example, we do currency management as a service for companies. Startups use the issuance of such a private currency to raise money and to build and protect their customer base. Enterprises with an already existing customer base can use a private currency to increase efficiency of customer retention and to secure the touch point to their customers, which is more and more important during the upcoming mobile wallet war. During my demo, I will show you our Leondrino wallet and how we use it to support the rollout of such branded currencies we call Leondrino. So let's go and log in. This is the dashboard you see here. Since we have launched our Leondrino wallet, we used it for stealth phase to learn from consumers which brands they trust, and we prepared the rollout for the first Leondrino currencies. We let the users suggest the brands they trust most and purposely limited the number of brands they can add initially to their wallet. We also limited the number of brands you can select as favorites in the widget here on your dashboard, as you can see it. We did all that to get a consumer-generated brand ranking that guides us on which brands our salespeople should focus first. So let's see which brands are already available. And in this view, you see only brands that were suggested by a minimum number of users. So this selection is really generated by our users. So we already got first requests from brands who want to do a kind of market test to figure out if their customer base is already ready and longing for such a private currency. That's why we will open up the game now for brands who want to spend a bit of their marketing budget to get listed here or to get a better brand ranking. So because we are here in San Jose, I will add San Jose Sharks right now to my wallet. And now you see my wallet with my currency portfolio, and the total value of my portfolio is shown in Leo, our internal bridge currency. Later on, when there's a market price available for each currency, the total value can also be shown in national currencies you're comfortable with. And at the bottom, you see the just added San Jose Sharks currency account. By the way, at the back end, we use private blockchain implementation that meets the requirements of startups and enterprises, such as scalability, response time, and privacy protection. We are already talking to interested companies of several segments, among them also publicly listed ones. And therefore, I can't really talk about them. But what I can tell you is that we talk to brands from the automotive industry who are facing the need to become a mobility service provider, from the healthcare sector, and last but not least, the entertainment industry, where I started my career and for which we developed the Leondrino concept originally. And I'm here to announce the launch of the first two Leondrino currencies. Both will launch in June. The first one is the e-mobility coin of Charge Partner Network. They want to create a self-sustaining circular economy and achieve clean mobility for everybody. The second one is Leaf Systems. I can even open up their brand details page. They want to use their currency to grow their ecosystem faster than their competitors and become the European market leader. Yeah, and as you can see here on the left, we classify all Leondrino currencies with a token class and a risk score. The token class is related to the Leondrino life cycle phase of this currency and ranges from token class E to A. E means highly speculative and a limited functionality. So you can't buy tokens, you can get them only by adding this brand to your wallet and inviting your friends to do so as well. Token class A means very low risk and full functionality and classifies the currency as a fully public tradable alternative asset. The risk score is calculated by an algorithm taking into account the attractiveness of the segment, the growth rate of the company, the total volume of the currency, and the transaction volume in that currency, and so on. And the risk score range is from E to AAA. Sorry. At the bottom of this page, you will find your personal brand experience and your loyalty status. Your loyalty status depends on your transaction and contribution history with that brand. So early contributors will benefit most. So it's not only the nerds or those who have the most computing power, as it is the case in Bitcoins. As soon as a brand starts selling its goods and services in exchange for its own currency, you will get individualized ads and special offers with dynamic pricing depending on your transaction history, displayed here. That was my demo. What else to be added at the end? We are here to get in touch with potential strategic partners who are open to offer an alternative currency in the future. And yeah, if you are interested to learn more about the opportunities of Leondrino and the underlying Leondrino Lex platform for your business, yeah, just meet us at our booth. We are happy to answer your questions, and thanks for listening.